How to Powerlift for Beginners, your step-by-step guide to powerlifting for beginners. HowExpert with Nathan Demetz. HowExpert publishes quick how-to guides on unique topics by everyday experts. Visit howexpert.com to learn more. This guide, in the beginning, there was powerlifting, a brief introduction to the world of powerlifting and how to train for powerlifting, will introduce you to the world of powerlifting by one of its inhabitants. In the beginning we'll show the basic steps for starting on your journey, including the lifts, assistance exercises, stretching, plyometrics, and, briefly, diet and supplementation. The lifts, assistance exercises, and plyometric work will be covered in a detailed program. The program will break down each major lift in detail and the assistance exercises and plyometric work needed to help develop these major lifts. The program will outline the proper way to do the lifts in an effective and safe manner. Stretching and safety will be covered in detail in the guide so that you don't risk injury and can lift confidently. Diet and supplementation will be covered in order to give you a basic understanding, but it will not be inclusive of all the information you need. It will simply provide the framework you need to be successful. By the end of the guide, you will know how to properly power lift and will have a plan laid out to get there. You will know how to stretch properly and be safe. You will have an understanding of diet and supplementation and their importance to powerlifting. In the end, you will have the tools to be successful and to become a more powerful you. About the expert. Nathan Demetz is a long-time, average guy type of bodybuilder, powerlifter, and mixed martial artist. He powerlifts and practices kickboxing and jiu-jitsu. He does this not because he wants to compete but because he loves it. As Mr. Demetz would say, it is his greatest hobby. He has been a lifter since 2002 at the age of 22. He is also a second-year martial artist and has a few years of untrained brawling under his belt. Nathan is now about to turn 32 and he will tell you that he is in the best shape of his life and that he owes it all to his commitment to lifting and staying fit. He has an intense desire to succeed. Nathan is not a competitive athlete, but he has competed in some local bench press contests and even competed in the 20 and Hot bodybuilding contest held by Champion Nutrition. He competed 6 times and placed in the top 10 3 times. He won the bench press contest of the former equipment retailer New Home Fitness and placed 3rd in the bench contest held by Richie's Fitness, formerly Atlas Fitness. Nathan has also competed in some non-sanctioned bare-knuckle fights, but those days are behind him. His gym owner has approached him about entering the 2012 March Madness contest hosted by Vitamin Giant. Nathan is considering it. In the gym, Nathan boasts some impressive lifts. He has lifted at different weights throughout the years. His most impressive lifts come from when he weighed 205 pounds. At this weight he bench pressed 350 pounds, deadlifted 535 pounds, and squatted 500 pounds. He is currently 185 pounds, boasting a 350 pounds bench press, 495 pounds deadlift, and a 445 pounds squat. Nathan is strong in a host of other lifts as well. Nathan is loosely described as natural lifter. He does not use synthetic substances such as steroid, pro-hormones, synthetic testosterone boosters, or anything similar. He does use various supplements that are herb or plant-based and uses extra vitamins and minerals. He believes hard work will get you where you need to be. He believes in a holistic approach to the health of the mind and body. For this reason he does not refer to himself as powerlifter or martial artist but instead refers to himself as an athlete. He feels this better reflects his true goals and the way that he trains. HowExpert publishes quick how-to guides on unique topics by everyday experts. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.